There's a man who leads a life of danger. To everyone he meets he stays a stranger. With every move he makes, another chance he takes, odds are he won't live to see tomorrow. Secret agent man, secret agent man. They've given him a number, and they've taken away his name. Look out for pretty faces that you find. A pretty face can hide an evil mind. Be careful what you say, or you'll give yourself away. Odds are you won't live to see tomorrow. Secret agent man, secret agent man. They've given you a number, and they've taken away your name.
Master Ogle, news of Alpha Team to report. What is it now, Arrow? Remember that noise we heard in the helicopter that we thought was, "Get on with it"? It turns out we hit Charge. He has amnesia now, and without Charge, Alpha Team's power is reduced by 45%. You'll say, "Drones! Increase the mine production tenfold! We're going to take out Lego World in one go, and this time, not even Alpha Team can stop us."
With the helmets now able to lock onto the mines themselves, they should be able to locate them with more accuracy, unlike our old helmets which only showed where the mines worked. Kind of like a game of Minesweeper. Sorry to interrupt, but I have an update on Charge's condition.
How is he?
The wound has completely healed, but all attempts to bring back his memory have been futile. Still, he is healthy enough to continue missions with your permission.
Permission denied. We can introduce him back to the Alpha Team, but no missions until his memory has returned.
Yes, sir. Dash, there's no guarantee that he will get his memory back. There's no point in holding him back.
I'm not going to risk him getting hurt on my account again.
Look, even though you really shouldn't have said what you did, the injury wasn't your fault.
My thoughts are final. Charge isn't going on missions.
Hey, Charge, how are you feeling? Much better. Who are you? I'm Flex, Alpha Team's ropes expert. What's Alpha Team? It's a team of secret agents you're in. We fight against Ogle. What's an Ogle? Not what. Who? Ogle is a big-time villain who wants to turn everyone into mutants that can rule the world. Though he has also done a few attempts to control the weather. It's our job to stop him. For now, though, my job is to show you to your room. Kind of gloomy, isn't it? Tell yourself that. You decorated it yourself. You seem to have had a personality change since you lost your memory. Hey, what's wrong? What happened to me? I can't remember any of this. You were hurt very badly during your last mission. You tried to jump into Ogle's helicopter, but he made an unexpected turn and the skiff hit you. I survived that? Amazingly, yes. I wasn't there when it happened, but when I heard about the accident, I was certain you were going to die. We all were, but we're all glad you didn't. Alpha Team wouldn't be the same without you. Wow.
Charge, you startled me!
Sorry. Where am I? And who are you?
My workshop. I'm Cam, Alpha Team's head mechanic.
Ah, what sort of things do you make?
Mostly weapons and vehicles, but I also make useful little gadgets. Several of said gadgets have recently gone into your spy car.
My what?
I'll show you. This is your main vehicle. Since your Alpha Team spy, it's equipped with lots of stealth gadgets and cloaking devices. It's also one of the fastest vehicles.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
Can we go back up now, please? It's kind of depressing not being able to remember all of this. So why was Alpha Team spy?
That and then some. Our leader is wrong not letting you go on missions.
He probably doesn't want injured agents on missions.
That never stopped you before. Besides, based on who you are, I don't think it matters.
What do you mean?
Lex didn't tell you? You were and probably still are, the most powerful agents.
I'm what?
Sorry, I should have put that in more slowly.
Wow, I'm shocked. I mean, the most... Wow.
Once more, I think a mission may be what's needed to jog your memory.
But you said the leader doesn't want me on missions.
You were always a rule bender before you had amnesia. Flex and I were discussing this last night, and we have a plan. All we need is your approval.
I want to go on a mission. I want my memory back.
How goes the training?
You were right, Cam. Amnesia or no, he's still the most powerful agent.
Hey, have either of you seen Cam?
Not since lunch. Why?
Her computer has some alert thing on it. It's a lot like the alert we have in the main computer.
What? Wait, she wouldn't have.
What's going on?
I think Cam's in trouble.
Once the mines are over the world, the drones will give me the signal. Then I shall use this remote to activate them all. The entire population shall become drones all at once, and I shall rule the world! Why not just have them all timed like the old ones were? Because I like to push buttons. Alpha Team, wait, charge? You said he had amnesia. He did. Oh, forget it. Let's get out of here.
No!
Arrow, go down for a moment. I want to see this.
Oh, those mine remote! Yes, so long as we keep this in the top security, the mines won't activate. Plus, I put a bomb on Ogle's helicopter that will destroy the factory. This mission was a success.
Uh-oh. What? Uh-oh.
What were you thinking? Taking an injured agent out on a mission?
What injured agent?
What do you mean, what? Wait, what?
I don't believe it!
You're back, and it seems I owe you an apology.
What are you talking about?
I'll explain later. We have a mission proposal. All the greatest gadgets are at your disposal. The police force has run away. The army just can't stand the fray. Our last hope now is you. What are you gonna do? Secret agent, secret spy, a sneaky genius, a tough guy. Climb through the ventilation shaft. You'll find this is your best craft. Secret spy, secret agent, look out for the villain, strange reagent. Hope you know some fighting moves, or your life be enemy removed.